Greetings, everyone, and thanks for tuning in. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to enable safe browsing on Google Chrome for mobile devices. This feature helps protect you from dangerous websites, malware, and phishing. It's quick to set up and an essential step toward a safer browsing experience. First, open the Google Chrome app on your mobile device. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Now, tap on Safe Browsing from the list of options. Finally, choose Enhanced Protection to activate the highest level of security. That's it. You've now enabled enhanced safe browsing on your Chrome mobile app. Stay alert and browse with confidence. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.